Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to your channel Cook with Komal. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please go and subscribe first. So today we are gonna make potato pockets. For potato pockets, here I have 4 to 5 medium size of potatoes, which is boiled and peeled off, 1 bunch of coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste or salt 1.5 teaspoon, allspice powder 1 tablespoon, chili flakes 2.5 teaspoons, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, and chili paste 1 tablespoon. So we have to just mix it up all the things. So now our potatoes is mashed. We have to add all the things: coriander leaves, garlic paste, chili paste, chili flakes, black pepper powder, salt, and all the spice powder. Now we have to mix it. It's perfectly mixed now. Now grease the tray, whatever you're using, with some oil. Then we will transfer it into this tray and spread it evenly. Now as you can see, I spread it at all the corners very evenly. It took half of the tray. Now we have to refrigerate it for like 2 hours. So now it's freeze now. After taking out from the refrigerator, we're gonna cut it. It's as you can see cut into these squares, so you can take it out from like this. Now we will fry it. Now take some corn flour, breadcrumbs, and 2 eggs. We will add some salt here and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now we will beat it. Now add the potato pockets like this. Coat it. At the end with some breadcrumbs. Now we will fry them. Oil, add the pockets one by one. Fry it for 2 minutes each side, then flip it. Make sure it's brown and crispy, then we'll take it out. This is our final look. I hope you guys like watching this video. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.